Life in Maricopa offers many comforts: wide open spaces, beautiful desert landscapes, and a growing sense of community. But as the area continues to expand, so does the noise. Whether it's traffic, construction, or neighborhood activity, unwanted sound can easily find its way inside your home through old or poorly sealed windows. Fortunately, there's a modern solution that enhances comfort and peace: soundproof window upgrades. By investing in advanced window technology, you can create a quieter, more relaxing living space while improving energy efficiency and home value. Here's how upgrading your windows can make your Maricopa home a true sanctuary of calm and comfort. How noise enters your home: most outside noise doesn't come through walls, it enters through gaps, thin glass, and loose window frames. Older windows, especially single-pane ones, are poor barriers against sound. They allow vibrations from cars, voices, and even desert winds to travel easily into your home. Soundproofing starts with understanding that noise travels through air and materials. To block it, windows must provide both a tight seal and materials that absorb or reflect sound waves. That's exactly what modern window systems are designed to do. Double and triple pane glass, the foundation of sound control. Modern double and triple pane windows are the cornerstone of effective soundproofing. Instead of one thin pane of glass, these windows feature 2 or 3 layers separated by an insulating gas like argon or krypton. This multi-layer design creates a barrier that significantly reduces sound transmission. Each pane vibrates independently, which helps disrupt and dampen the noise before it reaches the inside of your home. For homes in Maricopa neighborhoods near main roads or active areas, triple-pane windows offer maximum noise reduction. Not only do they make your home quieter, but they also improve insulation, keeping your interiors cooler during hot Arizona summers. Laminated glass for enhanced soundproofing. If you're serious about sound control, laminated glass is one of the most effective upgrades you can make. It consists of 2 panes of glass bonded together with a special plastic interlayer that absorbs sound vibrations. Laminated windows can block up to 95% of external noise, making them an excellent choice for homeowners who live near busy streets or commercial zones. They also provide additional benefits, including UV protection, improved safety, and storm resistance, a smart investment for Maricopa's desert climate. When combined with insulated frames and professional installation, laminated glass windows can make your indoor environment remarkably serene. Airtight seals to eliminate gaps and leaks. Even the best glass won't deliver full soundproofing benefits without airtight sealing. Gaps and cracks around window frames are prime channels for noise and air leaks. Modern window systems are built with precision sealing, advanced weather stripping, and insulated frames that eliminate these weak points. Professional installers use specialized caulking and foam insulation to ensure a perfect fit, reducing both sound and heat transfer. The result? A peaceful, draft-free home that stays cool in summer and warm in winter, with lower energy bills year-round. Frame materials that enhance noise reduction. The window frame plays a crucial role in soundproofing. Materials like fiberglass, vinyl, and composite wood offer better insulation and sound absorption than traditional aluminum. Vinyl frames are cost-effective and naturally insulated, making them ideal for reducing both noise and heat transfer. Fiberglass frames are dense and durable, offering superior acoustic performance and energy efficiency. Composite wood frames provide the warmth of real wood with the added benefit of sound and weather resistance. Choosing the right frame material not only improves soundproofing but also ensures long-lasting performance in Maricopa's dry, sunny climate. The added value of professional installation. Proper installation is key to achieving the full benefits of soundproof window upgrades. Professional installers ensure your new windows are perfectly aligned, sealed, and insulated, eliminating air gaps and maximizing performance. They can also recommend the best glass and frame combinations for your home's specific needs and location. With expert installation, you'll experience immediate results: quieter rooms, better temperature control, and improved energy efficiency. Final thoughts. In Maricopa, where the desert calm meets modern living, your home should be your retreat from the noise of the outside world. Modern soundproof window upgrades make that possible. By combining insulated glass, laminated layers, airtight seals, and professional installation, you can dramatically reduce unwanted noise while improving your home's comfort and efficiency. Whether you're working from home, raising a family, or simply seeking peace and quiet, investing in soundproof windows is a long-term upgrade that enhances your quality of life and your property's value. For lasting comfort and tranquility, modern window upgrades are the sound choice for your Maricopa home.